Thank you for the opportunity inviting us in this IPEN Southeast Asia Virtual Conference 2020, and I hope we are all in health and good condition. In this session, I would like to share about collaborating with Analytical Laboratories in Research Center for Chemistry, Indonesian Institute of Sciences. I'm Yenny Meliana, and currently I'm assigned as Director of Research Center for Chemistry, Indonesian Institute of Sciences. In bahasa is known as Lembaga Ilmu Pengetahuan Indonesia, LIPI. At the first, I will introduce our office and laboratory. Research Center for Chemistry is located in kawasan Puspitek Serpong, South Tangerang, Banten Province, Indonesia. We can see in this map is in Java Island near Jakarta and not so far from the airport. The detailed information can be accessed in our website or via email. Research Center for Chemistry is located in Puspitek National Science and Technopark in Serpong, along with other research center and institution. We can see in this figure is quite huge area. Will own in area about 450 hectares, and a half is being part of Banten province and another half is part of Java province. Puspitek is known as biggest technopark in Indonesia, where is also called as Indonesia Silicon Valley, referred to the Center for Indonesian Technology Development. Research Center for Chemistry consists of 4 buildings. The first is the main building here. Second is pilot plant. In this building is function as bioethanol pilot plant and other chemical process in large scale. Third is herbal drugs and laboratory. Fourth is advanced characterization material laboratory. This building consists of analytical instrument for chemical, physical, and material characterization. The Research Center for Chemistry, RCChem, is one of Indonesian government research center under the Indonesian Institute of Sciences, LIPI, that was established in 1958. We have process laboratory, we have pilot plant, and also analytical laboratory facility, which includes expertise in chemistry. The main object of Research Center for Chemistry activities are carry out research and development in the field of chemistry and disseminate the result to the public to support Indonesia's sustainable economic development, to promote science and technology to industrial and scientific communities. We can see figure here some of our researchers working in their laboratory. Our institution vision is to be a world-class research center that advances science and technology in the field of chemistry for enhancing quality of life and national competitiveness. Indonesian Institute of Sciences, led by Chairman of LIPI, supported by Executive Secretary. Under the Chairman, there are 5 deputy for Life Sciences, Deputy for Earth Sciences, Deputy for Engineering Sciences, Deputy for Social and Humanity Sciences, Deputy for Scientific Services. Research Center for Chemistry is under Deputy of Engineering Sciences. We can see in this figure, Research Center for Chemistry, led by Director, supported by Head of Division of Research Management and Secretariat, directly under the Director, Supervised Laboratory Assistant, Laborant, and Researcher, which divided into 8 research groups. In 2020, Research Center for Chemistry consists of 8 research groups. For the first, Macromolecular Chemistry Research Group, which is study about synthesis and modification of polymer. Second, Analytical Chemistry Research Group, develop and provide analytical methods for the characterization of chemical materials, product, and waste. Chemistry Research Group. This group study and develop nutrient-rich food, functional food, and also for food safety. The fourth is Process Technology of Biomass Chemical and Bioenergy Research Group. Develop biomass-based fuel as an environmentally friendly alternative energy source. Participate in effort to reduce greenhouse gas emission. Material Chemistry and Catalyst Research Group focus on development of nanomicrostructure material. And we also have medicinal chemistry research group, utilization of Indonesia natural product for medical material. 7, we have natural product chemistry research group to discover and to conduct research and development of potential chemical compound from natural product in terrestrial nor aquatic like plant, animal, nor microbes. And the last one, chemical bioprospecting research group, the opportunity for application of newly found chemical compound in genes, protein, microorganism, and other product in biodiversity. So this is our research facility and instrument for chemical constituent characterization. We have micro-TGA, Corvisor, ELISA reader, UVLC, ELSD fluorescence, GC-ECD, and GC-MS. Next, we have gas chromatography for NOx, SOx, GC natural, oxidase, proximate analysis instrument, texture analyzer, viscometer. Here several kind of centrifuges here. We also have instrument for physical properties characterization. This is electrode selective ion ESI to analyze ion concentration in water, viscometer, and also pH meter. Microscope, we also have to ICV, OES, CEMS-MS, and HPLC ICP-MS. We also have instrument advanced material and polymer characterization. Here, XRD to identify crystallinity, XRF to analyze element in metal, glass or ceramic, bomb calorimeter, series mini reactor, moisture balance, and GC greenhouse. Here we have particle size analyzer, nano and micro, to measure particle size and zeta potential, densitometry for density, water and O2 vapor for permeability to measure permeability vapor barriers. Indonesian Institute of Sciences has many collaboration with NGO, communities, and citizen groups. These collaborations are expected to increase the research productivity in Indonesia. One of our collaboration is a research collaboration with Nexus 3 Foundation or Bali Focus Foundation. We have collaboration since 2017. Our collaboration research is about microplastic in marine life. We also have been collaborating with University Hasanuddin to collect fish sample from many places in Indonesia. In this collaboration, we extracted the fish stomachs in certain solvent and incubated 24 hours, then separated the present object as microplastic. The obtained microplastic were analyzed using FTIR and its database. This figure for FTIR, we found that some of them polypropylene, PP, polyethylene PE, rayon fiber, and glass fiber. While for smaller content of microplastic, we extracted feces meat, kidney, and liver using CEMH extraction. This is figure for CEMH extraction. We evaporate the solvent using concentrator epatrosi here and analyze the sample using GCMS. The analytical chemistry research project in Research Center for Chemistry are identification microplastic contamination skipjack tuna from the southern coast of Java, Indonesia. And we also determination of migration phthalate ester and bisphenol A from packaging material onto food. Synthesis of molecular imprinted polymer for pra-concentration of ethyl and butyl phthalate. Development of online monitoring of mercury in Citarum River, West Java. LIPI has many international networks. In Southeast Asia, we have international network with Thailand here, with Queen Sirikit Botanic Garden, National Science and Technology Development Agency, with Vietnam Academy of Social Science, Singapore, National University of Singapore, and Malaysia, with University Science Malaysia, University Putra Malaysia, University Teknologi Malaysia, UTM. We are open for collaboration with scheme joint research, exchange researcher or training, workshop and symposium, also for the scholarship and postdoctoral. Research Center for Chemistry here have been an important role as focal point in subcommittee on food science and technology. The objective of this subcommittee are to strengthen collaborative R&D, promote higher level of intra-ASEAN cooperation and collaboration, establish database for exchange information, and increase capabilities and improve infrastructure. RCChem also active in international organization in the field of environment, namely in Rotterdam Convention as Chemical Review Committee member, commencing from 2020 till 2024, which aim to share responsibilities in relation to importance of hazardous chemicals. In Stockholm Convention, as Persistent Organic Pollutant Review Committee member on 2012 till 2020, which aim to eliminate or restrict the production and use of persistent organic pollutant. Our institution also support Basel Convention with aim to reduce the movement of hazardous waste between nations. Minamata Convention to protect human health and environment from anthropogenic emission and release of mercury and mercury compounds. Also, as National Pesticide Commission from 2008 till now. And how to collaborate with LIPI, Research Center for Chemistry, offer opportunity for collaboration and innovation. For collaboration initiation, you can directly communicate to researcher, SPIC, person in charge, or by contact the official email. We also need MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, or MOA, Memorandum of Agreement. This is MOU or MOA will describe a cooperative relationship between LIPI or Research Center for Chemistry and a partner that will be signed by chairman of LIPI or can be by directors. MOA or MOU contain agreement, right, and obligation. So it's party in the project. Thank you. This is all I can share. I hope we can do collaboration in the future. If there's are any question, I would be happy to open up the discussion.